Alright, so today the goal is to cover Chapter 1, right, which is just going to be on data. We're going to cover Chapter 1 today. And so we're going to talk about what is statistics, how statistics used in business and economics, what is data. By the way, data are plural. Right, there's no such thing as singular data. Data are plural. I say that a lot in journalism. Some of them get them right, some get them wrong. You can't have a datum is one data point, right? But data are plural. We're talking about data sources, statistics in the very basic sense. We're going to cover that more in Chapter 3. Statistics as an inference and examples of bad statistics at the end. All right. So what is stat? It's a branch of mathematics taking and transforming numbers into useful information for decision makers. We have a lot of data these days. Everything around us is collecting data all the time. It used to be true that we only had these very small samples, and we tried to use those small samples to come up with simple means like, what is your average revenue at this particular restaurant? What are your costs? How much does the average household make? Things like that. Now we have data on all types of things. Like, for example, right now you guys have your cell phone sitting in your pocket. That cell phone has tracked where you've traveled today, how long it's taken you to travel there. Right? They know where you live. And there's a lot of data out there, and the time is coming where we have all this data and not enough people to evaluate it. So there's going to be demand for this, and this is going to be an integral part of your job. In fact, it's going to be an expectation of most of your jobs, either as managers or as workers. You're going to need to know how to deal with data and eventually how to interpret statistics. So we're going to talk about what these different data points are. We'll talk about methods of processing that data. These are all going to be basic level. This is an introductory course. And then we're going to talk about why these methods help reduce uncertainty associated with decision making. So decision makers use statistics to present and describe business data and information properly. They want to draw conclusions about large groups or individuals or items using information collected from a subset of those groups. And it's very costly to collect information. Have you walked around campus and seen someone like offering you a free gift if you fill out a survey? Right? That takes time, and lots of us walk by them. So it's not like we're actually collecting a lot of information while that's going on. That's expensive to do. So it's very hard to get everybody in your particular population to answer your survey. So instead you get a small subset, and you hope that small subset is representative of the population, so you can make conclusions from that. You want to make reliable forecasts about business activities. When should you buy more electricity? Right? Should you buy right now in the spot market, or should you pay ahead, hoping that maybe you'll buy at a low price, even though the price of electricity will go up? There's a business in town that just does that. That's all they do. They forecast when you should buy more electricity. How can we improve business processes? Any of you guys use Amazon? Isn't it scary how they sometimes give you things in the ads that are stuff that you want? Right? Efficiency. How do we get that efficiency down? Well, they're reading your searches. They're looking at what else you're looking at outside of Amazon. Facebook does this to you all the time. You go out, you do a Google search, and all of a sudden the stuff that you were looking for shows up in your Facebook. What's it doing there? Right? So how could you determine if advertising is working? If your price is too high? If employees are working efficiently? Or are they playing on Facebook? Right? How do you determine these things if you're not right on top of them? Now this is becoming a big thing. This is a article from the Wall Street Journal, and data crunchers are the new cool kids on campus. There's huge demand going on for anyone who's majoring in, say, statistics or computer information systems that know statistics. Anything that has to deal with the buzzword big data right now is really having a huge impact. There are folks who have no college education, but they know how to program a particular software called R. Right? And if they know R, and they can show they know R, they can get paid 6 figures as a starting salary. Just like that. Right? Now they can't. I've played with R. You can't do that unless you know some basic statistics. In fact, you can't do it if you know some advanced statistics. So they had to teach themselves quite a lot. But there is big money that is out there. So what is big data? This was actually put out 2 or 3 years ago. So whatever figures you hear on here, multiply it by at least 3, and that's probably where we are today.